sea and sky. I have heard my people cry, all who dwell in dark and sin. My hand will save, I who made the stars of night. I will make the darkness bright, I will bear my light to them. Whom shall I send?